Hello everyone, today we are going to make the project 7-segment display using IR remote. So let us see what the components we require. One Arduino Uno board, one breadboard, a TSOP IR sensor, 220 ohm resistor, 7-segment display, IR remote control, some jumper wire and a USB cable. So this is the TSOP IR sensor. We will place it on the breadboard. We will connect its output pin to pin 2 of the Arduino board. Its middle pin is the VCC pin, which we will connect to pin 3.3 volt of the Arduino. Then we will connect its ground to the negative line of the breadboard, as we are going to make a common ground. Then this is the 7-segment display. It has 10 pins. The middle pin on each side is the common pin. So this is a common cathode. So we will connect the common pin to the ground of the breadboard. So place the 7-segment display on the breadboard. Now we will connect the pins. So first take a wire. So starting from here, this is pin 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So first connect pin 1. To pin 11 of the Arduino. Then pin 2 to pin 10 of the Arduino. Then on pin 3, take a 220 ohm resistor, connect its one terminal to pin 3 and the other terminal to the ground. Then take the 4th pin and connect it to pin 9 of the Arduino. Then leave pin 5, connect pin 6 to pin 8, pin 7, to pin 7 of the Arduino. Then leave pin 8, then connect pin 9 to pin 12 of the Arduino and pin 10 to pin 13 of the Arduino, and then make a common ground and then connect it to the ground pin of the Arduino. So our connection is done. Now we will upload the code. Coding for controlling 7-segment display using IR remote. First of all, open the Arduino IDE software. Here first we have included the IR remote library. Then we have created the IR receive pin and assigned pin value to it. Then we have created variables for all the pins of the 7-segment display and assigned pins accordingly. In a void setup, we have given IR receiver.begin, IR receive pin, enable LED feedback to enable the receiver. Then we have declared all the pins of the 7-segment display as output and initialized the serial communication by setting the baud rate to 9600. Now in the void loop, we have given if IR receiver.decode. That means if the data is sent from the IR receiver, it will be decoded. Then serial print ln IR receiver.decode IR data.decode raw data, hex. So this will print the received data in hexagonal form in the serial monitor. Then we have given IR receiver.resume, which will enable the IR receiver, that is the TSOP, to receive the next data. Now we have given a if condition that if a particular button is pressed, then the number will be displayed in the 7 segment. So if we press 1, then 1 will be showed in the 7 segment. If we press 2, then 2 will be showed in the 7 segment, and goes on up to number 9. So first let's see that if we are given a if condition that if IR receiver dot decode IR data dot decode raw data is equal to 0 into F50A757F80. This F50A7F80 is the hexagonal data that we receive when we press button 1 of the remote. And then to display the number 1 in the 7 segment, we have made pin A low, pin B high, C high, and remaining pin low. Similarly, when the button 2 is pressed in the remote, then the data received is E41B7F80. So we have given the if condition that if the received data is this, then number 2 will be displayed. So for that, we have made pin AB high, C low, DE high, F low, and G high. Similarly, we are doing this for all the other numbers, that is number 3, number 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 0. So this is the code. At the last, we have given a delay of 100. So this is the total code. Now after the code is done, click on tools, select the board as Arduino Uno and the required code, and then click on upload to upload the code to the Arduino. Output of 7 segment display using IR remote. So here we have the remote. So when I press 1, it displays 1. When I press 2, it displays 2. Similarly 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 0. Thank you.